So we're dropping away signal. How y'all doing? Ted, Grub and Gravel. Listen, overlanding and doing a bunch of camping and things. The peacefulness of getting away from everything and turning off all your stuff is beautiful. But sometimes I'm trying to make a video, sometimes I make a call, sometimes I'm throwing stuff up on the grams, and have always considered one of the boosters. You look at reviews online, you know, it may vary. Some people, the biggest problem I've seen is some people forget to go into airplane mode and then come back into it, so it picks up your booster instead of the outside signals. So, I mean, being these things are a little expensive, not crazy expensive, but enough to where you got to put some thought into it before you pick up something like that. I ended up finding a deal on a refurbished. They did do a year warranty. Everything seems to be going well so far. I got all the parts. Everything seemed to be in great shape. So we're going to test it out. What I did was I got a analyzer on my cell phone, just a little app. I'm out at one of my favorite lakes. Signal's light, so we're going to go ahead and look at what is going on and see if we can figure out if things working really well, positions of my tower, things like that. So let's take a look at it. All right, so here's what that low position looks like. It's just barely sticking up over the top of the truck. Okay. Just a little nub. All right, so I got this little analyzer, set it up on the dash where it normally is. I have got the switch plugged in right here. We mounted the transmitter right down here, so everything would face this direction. Generally would be all up in here. All right, so there's where we're at. It's claiming like 3 bars, negative 116. Give a little test. It's got me at 2.2. Oh, there we go, 3.5 and 15. So it varies a little bit here as it's picking up signal and putting down signal. All right, so here's what we'll do first, is we will turn the unit on and see if there's any change with it just coming on. All right, I got a green light back there. It's actually moved the needle just a little bit already. So 15 up and 42 down now all of a sudden by just turning that on. Apparently mine has jumped on pretty readily. Let's go into airplane mode real fast and see if turning on airplane mode and back off helps. All right, we're back. Well, looks like it might have wanted to kick in fast. All right, so 15 up and 42 down. It seems like quite a bit better signal. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna move my tower up just a little bit. I'm gonna leave everything connected that's running right now. We'll go move the tower. We'll come back and check the signal. All right, I have run her all the way up the flagpole. We're up there tall. Get a better shot from this angle. All right, back inside. Thrown in 109, up 3, down 15. So it looks like maybe that positioning just above the truck might have been the best. I don't know that much changed. So here is what we're going to do. Well, let's switch over to this other dial. So it's showing, you know, like a decent little bars. But while we're looking at this, let's see if these numbers change when I switch this machine off. So we're dropping away signal. I mean, so I feel like an improvement.